Health experts as well as school administration in South Portland are trying to ease any concerns parents may have after someone at the high school tests positive for tuberculosis. Good evening, I'm Brian Yacono.
And I'm Amanda Hill. TB isn't a disease that kids get vaccinated for here in the U.S., but it is estimated that around 10,000 cases are diagnosed each year with fewer than 500 deaths. Most patients are people who come here from other countries.
Now, while all the people who may have come in contact with the infected person in South Portland have been notified, they're being urged to get tested. As Jack Mulmud reports tonight, experts say there's not a great cause for concern.
Around the state, school is back in session. And at South Portland High School, the new school year comes with a rare threat.
And it causes a severe cough very often, as well as can cause weakness, fatigue.
Tuberculosis.
And it can be very, very severe if left untreated.
Dr. Dora Mills, the Chief Health Improvement Officer for Maine Health, says tuberculosis can be treated easily if found early. And at South Portland High School, officials say they found one of those cases. A memo sent out to families at the high school saying they were notified of a positive case of the bacterial infection.
The treatment is 6 to 12 months long, so it's important if people do test positive that they continue with their treatment.
Dr. Mills says the likelihood of an outbreak is rare since it's hard to spread the disease unless you are in close quarters with someone. South Portland School Superintendent Timothy Matheny says the case was active in June, and they just found out about it recently.
And this is why surveillance is really important.
Maine CDC Director Dr. Pateri Voss says tracking who was exposed to the bacteria is also key to make sure it doesn't spread.
Once you see a case, understand who else is exposed, do we have treatment available to provide them, and can we contain this?
So how do you know if you have tuberculosis? Symptoms include a cough that can last 3 or more weeks, weakness, weight loss, fever, night sweats, and chest tightness. But some people who are infected don't show any symptoms. Dr. Mills calls these latent cases, and that's why.
And it's important for that person who's exposed to get tested and to get treated even if they have no symptoms.
South Portland High School says everyone who did have contact with that person who tested positive has already been notified. The school says if you still have concerns, you can contact your medical provider. In South Portland, Jack Mulmud, News Center, Maine.
And as you heard, treatment for infectious cases of tuberculosis can last from 6 months to a year. There's currently no vaccine that is widely used in the U.S. because tuberculosis is so uncommon.